He, though thin, appeared composed when he had to cut down large, rotten trees in his garden near the pond, a dangerous job that required absolute caution. This large tree was providing shade for the playground, but due to its dangerous leaning, it was necessary to cut it down to ensure everyone's safety. This was a big timber deal in Strawberry Valley, California. The tree was over 100 years old, but he successfully cut it down with his great courage and skill. They are putting all their efforts into cutting down the last trees before finishing the job using the impressively powerful Husky 2100 saw. He was comfortable with the ability to control the chainsaw in the deep forest, but it was a pity that he did not wear safety equipment to ensure his health in such a dangerous working environment. Gently.
That wood was breaking out on
successfully cutting down a rotten birch tree with a circumference of more than 3 m right next to the house was quite a difficult task. But thanks to technique and determination, he was able to do it safely and successfully.
Get them on the ground.
And do not do what?
Yeah.
Little chipmunk happy.
He took the time and effort to instruct his younger brother on how to cut trees most efficiently, enabling him to do the job safely and proficiently. Although it was regretful to have to hire someone to cut down the large trees in the garden, the homeowner still decided to sell the trees for a good price for economic benefits. One still provided shade, he cut it down anyway, realizing that it posed a potential safety hazard to everyone. He felled a large tree with a powerful chainsaw, but as the tree fell, he couldn't help but feel a little sorry because the tree trunk was hollow. He was cutting down the trees that survived the fire, which fortunately still retained their value. Even though the leaning oak tree next to the lawn is a dangerous way, watch the video below to experience the entire impressive process. This massive old black oak tree in the mountains of Northern California was severely damaged during a snowstorm and became a hazard. It was too big for their largest Husqvarna chainsaw, but it was eventually brought down.